Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm back again with a mystery box unboxing. This one's very special because it's actually from one of my subscribers. She reached out to me on Instagram. Her name is Rochelle. She has a small business where she makes custom style bundles. I will be sure to link her Instagram below. It's definitely very aesthetic, so I was super happy when she reached out to me. And it's even more special because it came all the way from the Philippines. Once I agreed to do the style bundle, she sent over a list of like all the different types of bundles I could choose from. So we have a mega bundle. There's 3 sizes you can get. There's also a style collection. Again, 3 sizes you can pick. Then there's the international bundle, which is the one I did. And I just did the smaller bundle, which includes 3 outfits or 6 to 8 clothing pieces. After I chose which bundle I wanted, she went ahead and sent over a Google form for me to fill out of basically things that I like and don't like, all of my sizes, and shipping information. So the process takes about 3 to 5 weeks. Just because I am international, it took a little bit longer for me to receive it, but I'm so happy that it's finally here. She did send me a photo of like a little preview of everything hanging on a clothing rack, but it was kind of hard for me to see like exactly what was in it. So I'm really excited to like get the whole picture now. Honestly, it means so much to me that a subscriber like took the time out of her day to put this together for me and ship it all the way from the Philippines. So I'm super excited to open it. Here we go. It's a pretty big box. I got 6 to 8 clothing pieces, and then she said she threw in a little something extra for me. That's so sweet. This thing is packed very well. Let's see. I'm so excited. Guys, mystery boxes are like my new thing. Like I can't get enough of them. They're so fun. Oh geez, hold on. Oh my gosh, there's like 5 layers of bubble wrap. I guess it's gotta be secure if it's traveling that far, you know? Okay, there we go. This is so fun. Let's open it. Here's what it looks like. Is it cute? 3, 2, 1. Oh, so cute. Look at that. Packed it with a little ribbon on top. I love it. Shall we open? Oh my God, I'm nervous. This is so sweet. Like, I just can't wrap my head around that one of you guys did this for me. She's got her little sticker there. Right off the top, I see some polka dots. Looks promising. Okay, here we go. Here's how it looks. I want to look at the polka dot thing first, obviously. Oh my God. Stop! How cute is that? Oh my God. This is so perfect for summer. It's this really cute halter neck mini dress. I love the top part is like completely mesh with the polka dots, of course. And then it has like ruching on the waistband, which is so freaking cute. And then it just flows out like that. And oh, it looks like it's like a bubble style skirt. I don't know if you can tell. I'm so excited to try this on. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so cute. Also, I told her the style I like is like Y2K, girly, feminine. Looks like right off the bat she got it perfect. So this is so cute. Yay! Okay, we're off to a good start. Okay, next up, it's a little mini skirt. Oh wait, that's so cute with the little pockets in the front. It's almost like tweed material. Feels like really good quality, honestly. And it's pleated, which I love. I love me a good pleated skirt. This is really cute. Honestly, more of like that preppy vibe, which I really like these days. This is gonna be so cute with like knee-high boots. I can already picture it, so yay! Love it. Okay. Oh, I just saw this was like tucked away. There's like a little note with some stickers, I think. So cute. Okay, let me read the little note. I guess I should have read this first, sorry. It was tucked under everything. Okay. Oh, hi Adrienne. Thank you for trusting me to style you. I've been a follower ever since, and I really love your style and vibes. Your patience throughout the bundle process means a lot. I really appreciate your interest, and I hope you love everything I got you. Rock these fits. Love, Feedworthy. So cute. Stop. That's so nice. She was honestly like so sweet throughout this whole process, and it just like means a lot to me that she did this for me. So I'm just so happy. Anyways, let's keep going. I see something pink, so I gotta grab that. Ooh, cute. Oh, stop. This is so cute. This is so me. Like, how did she know? I love the material of it. I don't know if you can tell. It's basically ribbed, and it's got like a super high neckline, which I feel like is gonna be so flattering. And it's super long too, which I like. I just love this style of tops lately. Like the really tight fitting, but like kind of long. It's just a vibe. And I love the color. Oh, I didn't even see that. The top part has like this little design on it. Can you see how it's like darker up here? Oh, that's so cool. Really cool. Next up, I see some denim. Oh, so cute. Ooh, wait, this is really cute. Normally, I don't really gravitate towards like dark wash denim, but I actually really like this. It's almost black, so I feel like it works. And I love the giant button. It just has the brand on it, which is Moosey Jeans. Love it. Here's the back. Love the stitching on the pockets, and the length looks really nice. Like, I love me a good micro mini skirt. Ooh, this is gonna be so cutie. Next, this bright yellow is speaking to me. Let's see what it is. Stop, that's so cute. You know what this would be cute with? Honestly, a bathing suit. Like, this would be so cute as a bathing suit cover up. Would it not? Oh my God. This like butter yellow crochet little tie cardigan. I'm so into these right now too. Like the little cropped tie cardigans. I see them all over Pinterest. I've talked about them before, like on my channel. This one's just perfect. And I love the color. This like butter yellow is so good. Chef's kiss, love it. Okay, we have a few more things in here. Ooh, what is this? Oh my God. Oh my God. Vintage guess. Is this a romper or just a mini dress? Oh, it's just like a little mini dress, but it has a little belt attached. This is so cute. Again, I love like the giant buttons on there, and the belt is so cute. It's like an illusion because it looks like denim, but it's just like a really thin fabric. It feels really soft and really comfortable. Here's the tag. Love me some vintage guess. This would also be cute with some knee-high boots, I feel like. Look at the little logo. It's got like the rhinestone logo on the pocket there. Oh, this is good. I'm really happy so far with everything. This is amazing. I can't wait to wear this. It feels so comfortable. Oh, let's get a close-up of the belt. Super cute. Moving on. Ooh, this looks cute. Look at this. Oh my God. White lace trim tank top. How cute is that? It's got buttons all the way down the front with like a lace panel there. Oh, this is really cute. I feel like this would be a really good like layering piece too. Like this will look good under a lot of different things. So very much that like baby doll style, like soft girl aesthetic. Super cute. Next up, this looks fun. Ooh, this is so my vibe. Honestly, look at this. You guys, this is good. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see, this keeps like folding down. Oh my goodness. I wish this would cooperate with me. Hold on. There we go. Look at that. It looks like it's like a off the shoulder type top, but it has this studded neckline and then it like crosses over in the front. I love that. I love the shape of this. This is very much my style. I love it. Here's all the beading. Ooh, I'm already planning outfits in my head. I'm calculating how I can style this. So cute. Okay, and then I think these are the little freebies she included. There's another little note. Let's see. These are freebies. Pieces I think you would wear, but not just included in your spring mood board on Pinterest. Oh yeah, I did send her my Pinterest board, by the way. Okay, let's see. That's so sweet. It already looks really cute. Oh my God. Shut up. This is so fun. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm shook. I'm gagged. Look at this. It's this super cute hot pink rhinestone cami. This is actually so amazing. It's fulfilling my Sharpay Evans Hannah Montana Disney Channel dream wardrobe. Like, I love this. It's so good. That's really cute. She knows me so well already. Okay, and then the last thing, which is one of the freebies, looks like a mini skirt. Let's see. Oh, it's a mini skirt. That's cute. Oh wait, it's just shorts, I think. Is this the front or the back? Hold on, I'm confused. Okay, it looks like they're just shorts, but it's meant to look like a mini skirt. I actually really like that. That's very unique. And I love the little pink stripes on it. I love the waistband too. Kind of like a V cut. This is really cute. That was so good. Everything was so cute. I'm honestly so satisfied with this. Like, she did such an amazing job. I'm pleasantly surprised by everything that she included. Let's try everything on now. Oh my God, you guys. We are starting with the vintage Guess denim mini dress. I just adore this. It's literally so amazing. I don't think I own a more perfect fitting mini dress actually. Like, the waist fits perfectly, and I also love the length. This is my ideal length in a mini dress. What more could I ask for? So I just styled this with my brown Kenneth Cole knee-high boots. I felt like these looked so good with this dress. Brown and denim is just chef's kiss. And then they have like gold buckling details on them, so I thought that looked really cute with the belt. And I paired it with my vintage Guess brown leather bag. I literally wear this all the time, but again, felt like it was perfect with this dress. And then just styled it with some gold jewelry and gold accessories. You know, I'm not really a gold girly. Like, I literally never wear gold anymore, only silver, but I just felt like gold was perfect with this dress, so I had to. I love this, actually. There we have it. My dream dress. I actually love this so much. It has everything that I'm in love with right now. It's got a halter neck, love that. Polka dots, pants. Very into those right now. And then the bubble skirt. Oh my god, you guys. I love this. It's just so like flirty and girly and fun, which is everything I'm trying to be this summer. So I just adore it. I paired it with my favorite combo right now, socks and ballet flats, and then just a bunch of silver accessories. So silver jewelry, silver bag, hair clip, and we're good to go. I love this. It's honestly just so like trendy right now, which I love. She's so cute. I'm actually speechless right now. This outfit is insane. Let's take a moment for the top because oh my god, it's literally so perfect. I love the color, love the silhouette. The high neck is actually everything I've ever dreamed of. It fits me so good too. Wow, amazing. Oh my god. Okay, and then I paired it with the pinstripe gray and pink little skirt. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about this at first just by looking at it because I don't really own anything like this. But once I put it on, especially with this top, I just feel like it works. It's actually really cute and a cute idea. Like it looks like I'm wearing a skirt, but it's actually shorts. How cute is that? So I just kind of styled it in like a kind of office siren, kind of model off duty, kind of Bella Hadid type of vibe. And there we have it. We have the long socks and the ballet flats. Again, my faves right now. And then this like patent leather vintage bag that I've thrifted. Gotta have the little glasses. And then I paired it with this cross necklace. I thought this added a little bit of edge to the outfit. I just adore this outfit. I'm honestly speechless. Like it looks so good. And I don't know if she intended to like have these two pieces go together, but I just feel like they're perfect together. 10 out of 10. You guys, look at these two pieces together. We have the white lace little tank top. I actually really love this. I said this before, but I feel like it would be like a really good layering piece. Even this outfit would be really cute with like a jacket over. But for the summer, this is what we're working with and I love it. I left a few buttons unbuttoned at the bottom and on the top just to add a little bit of something. And then I paired it with the brown tweed pleated mini skirt. Again, so cute together. I feel like this outfit is very much giving Miu Miu model and I love that. I really do. I styled it with my brown buckle boots and then I added a little fun bag. I thought this would be really cute to add like a fun pattern to the outfit. I love the red mixed with like the brown tones. What more could I say? This is just perfect. I've been saying that for like every outfit, but it's true. I really love all of them. Oh, and then this brown belt that I thrifted also. She honestly killed it with this mystery box. Like every single outfit has just been perfect so far. Honestly, this skirt is so cute. I'm not used to like longer skirts. I know this is like not even that long at all. This is like a normal length mini skirt. I'm just used to wearing like super micro mini skirts these days, but I feel like it looks really good. And the skirt is just like so high quality. I don't even know the brand on it. I don't think it had a tag or anything. It honestly just feels designer. And then it's got cute little pockets too. Yay! Oh, this eats. This eats. Oh my god. This has to be my favorite, obviously. This top was one of the freebies that she included. She said it wasn't based on my Pinterest board. She just thought I would like it. And she was 1000% right. I'm actually so in love with this. It really is just like so my style. I love that it has the elastic at the bottom. I feel like that's really flattering too. Definitely has that like Y2K type of silhouette and fit, which I really love. And then I paired it with the dark wash denim mini skirt. And again, this is like the perfect length for me. I just adore this look actually. And then I styled it with some pink vintage Tommy Hilfiger wedges. They're actually so cute. They have a little flower on them. I thought this was perfect. Look at that. The pink is almost exact. And then I paired it with this leopard print fur bag just to really tie all the Y2K elements together. And that's it for this outfit. Honestly, my favorite so far. It has to be. Plus this top is just like so fun for summer. I feel like I'm gonna wear it all the time. Next up is the black and gold studded top. Guys, I don't even know what to say. Like this is so good. It fits me so good too. Here, let me take the bag off so you can see the neckline here. Look at that. I feel like this is such a unique style of top, which just like made me fall in love with it. Again, love the like crossover detail. I kind of wore it a little bit off the shoulder. I feel like that was really cute. And then again, just paired it with that denim mini skirt that we saw before, some black knee-high boots, and then this oversized gold purse. I honestly feel like a gold chain belt would look really good with this outfit, but I didn't have like the right tone of gold. I feel like this is kind of like almost like a muted type of gold. The one I have is very like yellow, so it didn't look good. But if I had one in the right tone, I would wear it with this outfit. Anyways, I honestly just feel like a celebrity in this outfit. Like, who is she? This is so cute. I can't. Like, I actually can't. Last but certainly not least, we have the yellow crochet tie cardigan. These are like all over my Pinterest board, so I'm so glad she got me one. I paired it with a white lace cami under. I feel like this just looked so good good together. And then again, just styled with that denim mini skirt, my brown buckle boots, and my brown Guess bag. I wear these two with everything. Sorry you see them so much. I can't help it. They just look good with everything, okay? Especially this outfit. Honestly, the most perfect cutie summer outfit. 10 out of 10. All right, guys, sadly, that is it for today's video, but I had so much fun unboxing the style bundle and trying everything on. I think my favorites were definitely the pink sequin top and this yellow crochet cardigan, but let me know what your favorite was. Thank you again to Rochelle for styling me and sending me this mystery style bundle. She is honestly the best. She did such an amazing job. I was truly shocked. So if you're interested in getting a style bundle by Rochelle, I will leave her Instagram linked below, which is at feedworthy.ph. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!